still miss you. Why can't I move on? Thought I left you smiling. My past is holding on. They said keep on praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. When will tomorrow come? When will I see the sun? Will it stop hurting so much? When will tomorrow come? On praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. They say keep on praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. And when will tomorrow come? When will I see the sun? Will it stop hurting so much? When will tomorrow come? When will tomorrow? No. When will it come? Yeah. Will it stop hurting so much? So much? No. When will it come?
Maybe you only want what you can't have. Never seem to be satisfied till it all goes bad. Maybe I should just give someone else a chance. Why should I sit alone and be sad while you fumble the best you ever had? It's not fair to me or my heart. I was forced to start over when we fell apart. Could've had it all, but you pushed me right into his arms. You wanted to break, I wanted to stay. Look what you made me give my love away. You made a mistake. with the facts. You're the one who left. I just quit taking you back. Maybe I should just give someone else a chance. Why should I sit here waiting on you? I am in a forever or never type of mood. It's not fair to me or my heart. I was forced to start over when we fell apart. Could've had it all, but you pushed me right into his arms. You wanted to break, I wanted to stay. Look what you made me give my love away. Hey, you made a mistake. Say that you've changed, but it's too late. I gave my love away. New love, can we get high? New love, no drugs. I'm ready to fly, no drugs. Pull up, if I'm on your mind, pull up above when you come.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Is it a new? Yeah, it's a new vlog. I did not have an intro. Apologies for that. Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are fabulous. Hope you guys are great. Thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you for clicking on my video. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Mogomotsi Mdluli. I hope you stay. I hope you subscribe. I hope you become part of the family. To my returning subscribers, my supporters, thank you guys so much. You guys are the best. You guys are stars. You guys are fabulous. Thank you guys so much. Yeah, it's the start of a new vlog. As always, I've already started the vlog, but I'm just opening it up today, and it's a Sunday morning, preparing for church. I don't think there's going to be much happening today. I think I'm just going to come back very late to close off the vlog, or yeah, I'll see. But yeah, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Please do not skip them ads. If you can, please watch all the ads. I would highly appreciate it. Yeah, I'm just getting ready for church. Let's chat a bit later on.
Enough, I've waited as long as I've lived. Thumbs up, come get what's yours and what's real. Boot up, blissful in each other's skin above. When you come inside, finally risen to the occasion. Past love's forgiven, made heart space for the one. When it feels right, that's that ascension. Never going back to when before you forgot my worth. Your love.
Morning guys, happy Monday. I have to apologize guys. the video that I posted last week, it was such a hassle to download that video from InShot. I don't know why, because I have enough space on my phone. I had enough space, so I don't know why it kept on it didn't want to upload the video that I wanted to upload. So I had to upload the video at 2K instead of 4K. So if the quality was questionable, apologies, family. I truly apologize. Please yeah. So yeah, I'm here to close off the vlog. Yesterday I couldn't come back and do anything with you. I was super tired after church, as per usual. Got home very late, so I couldn't do anything. So yeah, guys, if you're still watching, thank you so much for watching till the end. I truly appreciate you. You are the best. You are a star that you are. Yeah, please, I hope you watched all the ads. I hope you subscribed if you're not subscribed. I hope you liked. I hope you threw in a comment, a flower, a heart, hashtag Mabloma, hashtag Dipelo. Yeah, let me close off the vlog. I hope this time around I won't have struggles downloading the video, because one thing that irritates us as small creators or creators is having footage, editing a video and all of that, which is a lot of work. And then when it's time to download, then it gives you problems. You have to delete stuff, you have to restart the phone, you have to do this and that. It's really it's a pain. So I hope this time around I won't have any of those problems, and then we'll have a vlog as per usual and up to standard, because I take you guys very seriously. Yeah, so let's catch up on the next vlog. Love you loads, Kesana Lwam.